Hello everyone, welcome to another digital finance learning video. Today we're going to show you about a new feature that Google actually just released for their Google Spreadsheets. And it's actually a feature that you use every day in your finance career. So everybody knows that we get data given to us and the data needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And a common problem you get is duplicates. So you can see in here we've created a mock sales tracker that has duplicated data down at the bottom. And since this is a sample size, you could easily just delete it out like you normally would. But obviously in the real world, you deal with thousands, if not millions of rows. So if you come into here, where they've added this feature is in the data button. So you come up, you can see they have removed duplicates. So there's two ways you can do it. You can either highlight the whole area that you want to do and do data remove duplicates. And it's asking you to select that data has a header row, so now it's identifying it. And then we can just do remove duplicates. You see it found the 3 duplicates at the bottom and left the 8 behind. And now your data is clean. You could also do the same thing by an individual column. So you can come here to column D. Again, you're going back up to data and remove duplicates. Data has header row and select remove duplicates again. The difference in the two is that this is not going to delete out the other columns and rows, which obviously wouldn't create your data as clean. Thanks everyone for your time. We'll see you in the next video.